1978 Ford F-150 Ranger pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 302 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC was in-op as well as a fuel gauge, and we'll get into some more details in just a bit here. First, take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Headlights, surrounds, grille. Originally a T paint code, so this was a candy apple red truck when it was produced new. Has had some paint work done in years past, and I'll kind of point some of that out as I go around with you, kind of show you more of this truck. All right, still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed. You'll see this truck from every angle. Unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Pointing out a couple things, kind of some checking on the hood. You can see some of this burgundy has been repainted, as well as this lower portion of both the driver's and passenger side. So is paint perfect? No. It's one of those trucks, get in and drive it, have some fun. Whether you're looking for just a classic truck or maybe you need a work truck, here you go. Bench seat interior, very stock looking interior, and we'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive too. You can see some previous work or previous body work done in this lower half too, where there has been the paint work done. Bed liner has been installed. Few notes from the technician on this one. Does have dual exhaust, front to rear. Wheel cylinders have been replaced. New front calipers and brake hoses, as well as new front brake pads. Tires are starting to show their age. There is some powertrain seat common in a truck that's driven. And the rear brake shoes will need some attention in the near future as you get a look at the tailgate and the rear bumper. And once again, all those still pictures, unique, classiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. I would say very comparable to what was on the passenger side. You can see we got a little tweak in this door down in the lower portion of it. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here, from show trucks to drivers to work trucks, a little bit of everything. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, door panels. And you'll be able to see the door tag and the still pictures, do any decoding that you'd like to do. Seat cover. Headliners and visors intact. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, 302 V8 power. So we have an AM radio up here with the FM converter down below. Top of the dash, not too bad a shape. Looks pretty good. One minor crack kind of right there. Pretty minor. Guess I could close that door all the way. All right, let's take a listen, and then we'll take a peek underneath the hood. Rumble coming out of that 302, nothing crazy. Let's go up here and take a peek underneath the hood. Then Jason's going to take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, pretty clean, looks as you'd expect. Here it is. AC has been converted from the R12 to 134A, and again, power steering, power brakes, AC, compressor looks like it's going to need some TLC, though, belt, unhook, Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. 302 power running pretty smooth. 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger pickup. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Ford F-150 with the Explorer insignia on the back. I believe that predates the Explorer SUV, but it was a package on an F-150. This is an automatic, right here on the column, so it's easy to drive. Very 1978 decal package on this truck. It really brings you back just looking at it, and it drives nice too. Good V8 rumble coming out the back. Our temperature gauge is about a third of the way up. That's where we like to see it. Now the fuel gauge reads empty. Not as happy to see that. But I am going down the road, so it's not empty. The blower motor works. The wipers work. The radio also works.
Against Alzheimer's now matters more than ever.
That is an AM radio with an FM adapter beneath. Remember that? The in-between, when you could add your FM, that's from Audio Box, mounted below the dash. Seat is covered with a nice vintage seat cover. Headliner looks good. This truck rides nicely down the road. Slight slack in the steering, not much really. There's a lot of these trucks have more slack than this one does. We've got a plastic bed liner in the bed. Typical clean noise around the doors, nothing excessive. Smooth braking, smooth acceleration. That suspension firm enough to keep it pretty level in the corners. Corners nicely, especially for a 78. And there's that exhaust rumble again. Fun truck to drive. If you like this body style, this is a good example. Take a look at all the pictures of this 78 F-150 at UniqueClassicCars.com.